Center truck Howo 4x4 refrigerator truck. This is mounted with the Thermo King T-880 Pro, the independent cooling system. It is not driven by the truck engine. Okay, so the truck is stopped and parked there. The cooling system can still working. This is more reliable and more better, especially when you need to transport some of like the seafood, like the medicine which lead to cool, or any other of expensive value cargoes. See, it's a 4x4. So this is enough for daily use for some bad road. This is the distribution box. This transmission, the shaft here, distribute to front and to back. Okay. That's the electric standby system. The inside has a drawing port at here. Thermo King brand. Okay.